Assalomu alaykum aziz o'quvchilar. Bugun sizlar bilan 4000 English words, ya'ni 4000 ta muhim bo'lgan ingliz tili so'zlarini keyingi unitini o'rganishni boshlaymiz. Demak, boshladik. Demak, do'stlar, 4-unitimizning birinchi so'zi appropriate. Appropriate, when a saying is appropriate, it's right or normal. Ya'ni mos, muvofiq, to'g'ri degan ma'noni bildiradi. It is appropriate to wear a suit when you go to the office. Ya'ni kostyum-shim kiyish juda mos bo'ladi ofisga borganda. Ikkinchi so'zimiz avoid. To avoid something is to stay away from it. O'zini olib qochmoq ma'nosini bildiradi. Avoid the broken bottle on the floor. Ya'ni polda sinib yotgan butilkadan o'zingni olib qoch. Ya'ni bosib olma degan ma'noda kelyapti. Uchinchi so'zimiz behave. Behave is to act in a particular way, especially to be good. O'zbek tilida kim bilandir yaxshi munosabatda bo'lmoq, o'zini yaxshi tutmoq degan ma'nolarni bildiradi. She always behaves well when her father is around. U har doim o'zini yaxshi tutadi qachonki otasi uni atrofida bo'lganda. Keyingi so'zimiz, demak 4-so'z calm. When someone is calm, they don't get excited or upset. O'zbek tilida sokin, tinch ma'nosini bildiradi. Gapni ko'ramiz. A nice warm bath makes me feel so calm. Yaxshi, iliqqina vanna meni sokin, tinch his qilishga majburlaydi. Undaydi ma'nosida kelyapti. Keyingi so'zimiz concern. Concern is a feeling of worry. Ya'ni nimadandir tashvishlanmoq, xavotirlanmoq ma'nosini bildiradi. I was filled with concern after reading the newspaper. Demak, men gazetani o'qiganimdan keyin tashvishlandim ma'nosida kelmoqda. Keyingi so'zimiz content. To be content is to be happy and not want more. Ya'ni nimadandir xursand bo'lish, nimadandir zavq olish ma'nosini bildiradi. The baby looked very content sitting on the floor. Chaqaloq o'zini xursand his qildi. Polda, demak, o'tirgan chaqaloq o'zini qandaydir mamnun his qildi ma'nosini bildiryapti. Keyingi so'zimiz expect. Expect o'zbek tilida nimanidir kutmoq ma'nosini bildiradi. If you expect something to happen, you believe it will happen. Ya'ni kelajakda nimadir sodir bo'lishini kutasiz. Gapni ko'ramiz. I expect the bus to be here very soon. Men avtobusni kutaman, tez orada shu yerda bo'ladi. Keyingi so'zimiz frequently. Frequently, demak, when something happens frequently, it happens often. O'zbek tilida tez-tez degan ma'noni bildiradi. We meet frequently, either at the beginning or end of the week. Biz tez-tez ko'rishamiz. Haftaning boshidami yoki oxiridami farqi yo'q. Keyingi so'zimiz habit. A habit is a thing that you do often. Odat ma'nosini bildiradi o'zbek tilida. Smoking is a bad habit that can kill you. Chekish yomon odat, sizni o'ldirishi mumkin. 10-chi so'zimiz instruct. Instruct is to teach. O'qitmoq ma'nosini bildiradi. My teacher instructs us in several subjects. Mening o'qituvchim bizni har xil fanlardan o'qitadi. 11-chi so'zimiz issue. An issue is an important topic. Ya'ni bahsli masala, muhim masala ma'nosini bildiradi. The man spoke about issues that were important to the people. Erkaklar har xil, demak, muhim bo'lgan mavzular haqida gaplashdilar. Boshqa odamlarga juda muhim bo'lgan mavzularni demoqchi. Keyingi so'zimiz none. None means not any of something. Ya'ni hech qanday, hech narsa degan ma'noni bildiradi. He spent all his money. There is none left. U barcha pulini sarflab yubordi. Hech qancha pul qolmadi. Keyingi so'zimiz patient. If people are patient, they don't become angry or upset easily. O'zbek tilida sabrli ma'nosini bildiradi. I had to be patient and wait until 5 o'clock to leave. Men sabrli bo'lishimga to'g'ri keldi va kutishimga to'g'ri keldi soat 5 gacha jo'nab ketish uchun. Keyingi so'zimiz positive. If something is positive, it is good. Ya'ni pozitivni, yaxshi degan ma'noni bildiradi. She has a positive future ahead of her after finishing college. Ya'ni uni yaxshi kelajagi bor qachonki kollejini bitirganidan keyin. Keyingi so'zimiz punish. To punish means to make someone suffer for breaking the rules or laws. Kimnidir jazolamoq ma'nosini bildiradi. Jazolash. To punish me, my teacher had me stand in the corner. Meni jazolash uchun o'qituvchim burchakda turishimni aytdi yoki burchakda turg'izdirdi meni demoqchi. Keyingi so'zimiz represent. To represent is to speak or act for a person or group. Nimanidir namoyish qilish, gapirish ma'nolarini bildiradi. My lawyer will represent me in court. Ya'ni mening huquqshunosim meni demak sudda gapirtirdi ma'nosida kelyapti. Keyingi so'zimiz shake. Shake is to move back and forth or up and down quickly. Silkitmoq, silkimoq ma'nosini bildiradi. When people shake hands, it usually means they agree. Qachonki odamlar qo'llarini demak ushlab bir-biri bilan silkitsa, odatda bu narsa ular bir-birini fikriga rozi ekanligini bildiradi. 18-so'zimiz spread. Spread is to move out to cover a large area. Ya'ni surkamoq, yoymoq ma'nolarini bildiradi. I like to spread butter on my toast. Man demak nonimga sariyog' surishni, sariyog'ni demak yoyishni yaxshi ko'raman ma'nosida kelyapti. 19-so'zimiz stroll. To stroll means to walk slowly and calmly. Sekin sayr qilish ma'nosini bildiradi. My dog and I strolled through the park today. Men va kuchugim bugun parkni sekin sayr qildik. Va 20-so'zimiz village. Village is very small town. Ya'ni kichkina shahar ma'nosini bildiradi. There are only a few houses in my village. Demak, bor yo'g'i kamgina uylar bor mening kichkinagina shahrimda. Aziz do'stlar, biz sizlar bilan 20 ta so'zni birgalikda o'rganib chiqdik. Agar qo'shimcha mashqlar ustida ishlamoqchi bo'lsangiz, lug'atlardan keyin keladigan mashqlarni, crosswordlarni va readinglarni bajarishingiz mumkin.